Hey everybody, it's me, Brianna. I know my thing down there says Claire, not my real name. Used it for school purposes. I wrote the song, hope you like it. If you do, leave a like or subscribe, or both. Personally, that would be awesome. 100 likes would be perfect. More would be like totally awesome. Share, leave a comment, that'd be good. Sorry, gotta fix my phone there. Well, here it is. Gray skies, rain drops, hurricanes coming from every side, and there's no one for me to call home. No one at all. I'm lost on a deserted island, cast away from all civilization, and all I need and all I want is a reset button. Would it kill me to be happy for once in my life? I don't know. I don't think I'll ever know. But all I want and all I need is a reset button. How does it feel to be in love with somebody? Will they love you back? Does it drive you insane? Some days will your head be spinning out of control? Oh, or will you feel safe in his arms? That's all I want to know. I'm lost on a deserted island, cast away from all civilization, and all I need and all I want to have is a reset button. Ooh, would it kill me to be happy for once in my life? I don't know. I don't think I'll ever know. Oh, but all I need and all I want is a reset button. Oh, yeah. Reset button. Here you are now, wrapping your arms around me, and inside my heart is gluing the pieces back together, and I'm going to be me for once in my life. And I hope this feeling lasts forever, so I know I'll be alright. 'Cause I don't wanna be lost on a deserted island and cast away from all civilization. Oh, and all I needed and all I wanted was a reset button. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. And it wouldn't kill me to be happy for once in my life. And all I wanted and all I needed was a reset button. Oh, oh no, I don't need it anymore. I'm living the life I was meant to live, and I don't need a reset button anymore. Oh, a reset button. Well, thanks for watching. That was Reset Button. Hope you liked it. Sorry for my voice cracking a little bit there. I know it was a little long. Sorry. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, follow. Don't really care. Remember, name's Brianna, not Claire. Total, not me. But yeah, thanks. Bye.